to remove the car from this parking brake so you can fix your rear brake pad for the Toyota Camry 2019 because it's an electric caliper from the back. All you have to do after that, you press this ignition, you on it, not start the car, you just on the ignition, press it twice, 1 2, so the ignition is on. After the ignition on, press the brake pedal. After pressing the brake pedal, you tap this up twice, 1 2 3, so you press it down to 1 2 3, so you hear the sound from the back. Once you hear the sound from the back, that means the caliper has been released, so you see it, you are free to drive. It will display on the screen here. Push the switch, so it will display here that you are free to drive. Press it, something like that. So after that, you hear the sound from the back, the parking brake has relieved, so there will not be any light here about parking brake again. So you now off the engine, so you are free to go to the back and remove the caliper to fix your rear brake pad. So here now, I'm trying to confirm the front hub, if the front hub is okay. So the front hub is not okay, it's cheaper. The back hub is cheaper. As soon as closing the shaft of the front is bad. So when mashing the brake, everything is shaking big. So this is the second one at the front. So I'll call my dealer or person that resurface discs. So the discs are going for resurfacing. Those front discs and the back are going for resurfacing. They are going for resurfacing. Stop playing. Wow. So that is the rear brake. I want to remove the rear hub because the hub also are making noise. The hub also, there are bad hubs at the back also, so it needs to be replaced. The back hub also are needed to be replaced. So this is the new one I got for the back. Oliver, that is the new one. Yeah, I got for the back. I fix it. Then for the back. All the 4 brake pads are also there. They are not bad yet, but the level of the brake pad is bad. So after resurfacing the discs, that is the discs and brake pad, I've resurfaced it. So that is the back caliper. Pressing it inside and pull my brakes, everything, so the work can be fixed. The back and brakes and pull the front wheel. So fixing the brake pad, pull the caliper, and to tighten. Let's put out so all the rust will reduce from the caliper. So put anti-rust. So after finishing the work, I'm trying to start the car now. Wow. Yeah, Work done. Test driving. I'm pressurizing the car now. So testing the brake. So a match brake. Everything is balanced. Everything is balanced.